Hey guys, I'm Jeff Rowe, and this is my Boonie Bug. It's a 1960 Volkswagen Combi chassis. So first thing you do is take a $100,000 bus, cut it on up, and then you build it yourself. This is the engine, which is the standard 1200. It was made to be a camper and a transporter in the back. Popular Mechanics was the magazine that you would have received in March, and you would have sent away for the plans for it that detailed exactly how you do it and how you send away your 1095. And then you build it yourself. I was lucky enough to find all the old fiberglass bags that the guy bought one at a time. There was like 120 of them in the Boonie Bug with the fiberglass, and he built it himself. Also used some of the first Lexan ever made, which is a GE product, which those doors are made out of. So we carry chalk around with us, and we let the kids come around and draw on it everywhere we take it. It's running and driving. It's a regular car for me. I just try to keep it out of the rain, especially today. This car was also one of the 8 that are known to exist, was in the movie Total Recall with Arnold Schwarzenegger. If you go around to the front, you can see we have a little advertisement on it. The QR code and all that. And you can see a video of us painting it as well, too.
An extremely rare vehicle.
Thank God.
Yeah, for a reason. What is your name, sir?
Jeffro Bodine.
And what is your car?
It's a 1960 Volkswagen bus turned into a custom Boonie Bug out of Popular Mechanics of March 1974.
So what there was, remember those little ads in the back of Popular Mechanics that said, buy plans to build a car or build a boat or something like that? Here's one of the magazines, and this was one of the plans you can buy. They sold tons of plans, but nobody ever built the cars, except for about 6 or 7 idiots. They built these things out of plywood and stuff you get at the hardware store.
Looks that way.
There's evidence of approximately 4 or 5 of them actually being built, and he has examples of the original materials that you would buy to put this car together. There's maybe 4 or 5 of them in the world. There are 2 of them.
There's too many.
That are roadworthy, and one of them is here today. And for that, you win our 2024 Concours de Limons, Florida Worst of Show. Big round
Well picked, sir.
There you go.
I've always wanted this award, so this means the world to me.
You need bigger goals. He said, I've always wanted this award. I said, you need bigger goals. You need to dream bigger, sir.
I just want to go home.
Yes, indeed. So once again, did you all have a good time? All right, we did too. We can't wait to do it again next year. Thank you so much for coming out. We'd like to thank Haggerty. We'd like to thank Classic Motorsports Magazine.